Hello children, welcome back again in online studies. Already you have seen in AVS 2 we have completed the lesson number 2 and now we will start our lesson number 3. But all the notes you will get in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so write down all the notes and complete lesson number 2. Also solve the worksheets given to you for solving. So now in lesson number 3 of EVS 2, open your page number 8 and read out the lesson with me. Lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. So we are learning about the Maratha Sardar in this lesson. Page number 8. So, first point is period of unrest. What is that unrest? Unrest means becheni. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. So what is the period of unrest? We have learned that in the previous lesson, in Maharashtra so many saints were there and they preached people for the devotion of God. उन्होंने लोगों को गॉड के डिवोशन के लिए भगवान की पूजा करो, भक्ति मार्ग सिखाया था. लास्ट ही लेसन में हमने दिखा. लेकिन उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि मराठा सरदार जो थे वो बहुत ही शूरवीर और पराक्रमी थे. बट उनके अंदर बेचैनी सा ये माहौल था क्योंकि जो दो सुल्तान थे महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर, वो थे आदिल शाह बीजापुर से और निजाम शाह अहमदनगर से. तो वो दोनों भी महाराष्ट्र में उनकी सल्तनत थी और वो दोनों एक दूसरे से झगड़ते थे. इसीलिए द मराठा सरदार जो थे, उन जो महाराष्ट्र के ही थे, वो दोनों मराठा पीपल के अंदर ही, जैसे सुल्तान तो अलग थे लेकिन जो लड़ रहे थे उनके जो सैनिक थे वो तो सारे मराठा सरदार थे. तो मराठाओं के बीच में ही झगड़े हो रहे थे, उनके बीच में वार हो रहे थे. That is why this is the period of unrest is called in this lesson. So next topic, the brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless. अभी बोथ यानी कौन से? बोथ यानी जो निजाम शाह की तरफ से थे कुछ मराठा सरदार और जो आदिल शाह की तरफ से थे वो कुछ मराठा सरदार. तो दोनों मराठा सरदारों में वार हो रहे थे लेकिन वो दोनों भी ब्रेव और टफ थे. दे वर अल्सो fearless and loyal to their masters. Masters means to their sultans. They were very proud of their achievements. On the battlefield, the Maratha soldiers with a spear and in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadhavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhod, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verul. The Sindhkhed Jadhavs were descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. So what is given in the brave Maratha Sardars? We know that the Maratha Sardars were started fighting with each other because of the different sultan in their one area, but they were fearless, very tough and brave, and they were very loyal, honest to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements. उन्होंने जो भी पाया था उनके लिए वो बहुत ही प्राउड फील करते थे बैटल फील्ड के ऊपर। और मराठा सरदार जो थे वो लड़ते समय एक हाथ में उनके भाला रहता था और दूसरे हाथ में तलवार, ऐसे वो राइड करते थे और सारा जो उनका कैवलरी है, जो भी हथियार है उनके पास, वो सब बहुत ही स्किलफुली यूज़ करते थे। उनकी मराठा सरदारों की उनकी प्राइवेट आर्मी होती थी, यानी उनके बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स रहते थे उनके पास में, सोल्जर्स की आर्मी होती थी। और उनका जो सुल्तान होता था आर्मी का, वो होता था सरदार। और सुल्तान क्या करता था, अगर वो सरदार सुल्तान के पास जाते थे तो सुल्तान उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता था, उनके यहाँ पे सरदार बनाता था उनके किंगडम का, और कभी कभी उनको जहांगीर भी देता था। लेकिन जब जो जहांगीर देते थे तो उस एरिया का वो अपने आप को राजा जैसे ही समझते थे, जैसे वो एरिया का वो राजा है और वो सुल्तान के अंडर काम करता है, जैसे सुल्तान का ही वो एक राजा है। ओके, सो ऐसे बहुत ही मराठा सरदार थे अहमदनगर के कोर्ट में, अहमदनगर और बीजापुर के सुल्तान के कोर्ट में। सो दे वेर वेरी फेमस। वो उनमें से सब मराठा सरदारों में से कौन फेमस था? सिंदखेड़ के जाधव, फलटन के निम्बालकर, मुधोल के घोरपड़े, जावली के मोरे और वेरुड़ के भोसले। ये जो कुछ मराठा सरदार है वो बहुत ही फेमस थे। अभी सिंदखेड़ के जो जाधव थे वो डिसेंडेंट थे, यानी वो वंशज थे देवगिरी के जो यादव है उनके वंशज थे। सो अभी हमने जीजाबाई को सुना है। जीजाबाई कौन है? शिवाजी महाराज की मदर है। तो जीजाबाई ये लखुजी राव जाधव की डॉटर थी, लड़की थी। ओके, सो नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज ट्रेडिशन ऑफ वैलोर। All these sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. So, all their valor and bravery served the interests of others. Even so, they kept alive the work-like spirit, especially among the young. Many famous sardars were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprise. Next topic, that is the temple of Krishneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Krishneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. Thus, the temple, which was built in honor of a great god, was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to God. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Krishneshwar was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. On the page number 9, we are seeing the picture of Shahaji Raje is given. Who was Shahaji Raje? Shahaji Raje was the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so we will explain this tradition of Vellore, this topic. We know that all the Sardar were brave, but many of them, they were sworn enemies of one another. Why? Because the two empires, the two sultans were ruling into Maharashtra, and that is why the Sardars of Maharashtra were become the enemies of one another. They have never thought that they will unite and they will fight for their own people. But their valor and their bravery served interest of others, because they were wasting their energy into others people fair, because they were very loyal to their sultans. So they kept alive the work-like spirit, especially among the young. The young were very much vigorous, and valor was there in them. Okay. So famous soldiers were born in the families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Bhosle of Verud showed a great bravery and enterprise into the famous families. We will learn about the topic, that is Temple of Krishneshwar. Temple of Krishneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple was in very bad condition, which is near Verud caves. So it was just like falling in pieces, and the walls had developed cracks, and the priest have also not noticing all these things. The priest had also deserted about the temple, and the temple which is in the honor of great god Shankar, okay, Krishneshwar, but it was just neglected. All the devotees who came over there, they just mourned, they just become very sorry state, they just become sad by seeing the condition of the temple of the Krishneshwar, and everyone wants and thought of repairing it, but no one did that. So, a great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers, bells on the lingam, which is the statue of the Shiva, and express his innermost thoughts of the god. And he carried out the extensive repairs of the temple. He restored to its original condition. He repaired it very properly, and also arrangements of the proper maintenance, including the lights from both the inside and the outside area, and the lost grandeur Krishneshwar was restored. However, the grandeur, the statue of the Krishneshwar, which was cracked and broken, that was also restored by the devotee. And do you know who was the devotee? Who did all these things? Who has restored the temple of Krishneshwar? He was none other than Maloji Raje Bhosle, who was from the Bhosle Maratha Sardar. Okay, so look into the page number 9 also, Shahaji Raje's picture, and you can draw the same picture like it is as an activity in your EVS 2 notebook. Till then, read out this lesson, the next topics also, and try to find out the hard words and write them.